Hey friends, if you encounter the error, this device cannot find enough free resources that it can use code 12, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows. How would you update Windows? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Okay, the command for it is msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. So all you need to do is press Windows plus R to open the run window and enter this command here. Hit enter, click on next. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. The next solution is to update drivers in the system. Now, how would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, click on optional updates, install any optional updates that are available. And lastly, you can perform system restore on your computer. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore, click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next, click on finish, and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.